Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English for the 10th February. And first of all, national news. Pariksha Pe Charcha session on today will mark PM Modi's 8th edition of the initiative. In a first, Russia's Su-57 US F-35 fighter jets to take part in Aero India. Strength of New India, Rajnath Singh to inaugurate Aero India show in Bengaluru. Arvind Kejriwal met newly elected AAP MLAs, asked them to work for people. Biren Singh quit as Chief Minister 2 years after Manipur violence began. President Murmu to visit Mahakumbh will take holy dip at Sangam today. And now some international news. Musk slammed US government payment systems, alleged $100 billion annual fraud. Scientists deplore sharp US cut in medical research funding. PM Modi Donald Trump summit, Adani Group's IMEC plan to counter China. War-torn Lebanon formed new government as US opposed Hezbollah's role. Now some sports news. Rohit Sharma scored 111 runs off 90 balls in second ODI versus England. US President Donald Trump said to script history by attending NFL Super Bowl. New Zealand defeated Pakistan by 78 runs in the first match of the Tri-Series in Lahore. Business-related news. India's pharma exported set for 10x growth, targeting $350 billion by 2047. IT companies likely to roll out 3 to 6% hike this year, HR exports. Banks' net interest margins likely to decline further after RBI rate cut. Expect durable recovery in private investment following rate cut, tax relief, FM Sitaraman. And that's all in news. Thank you.